As the ambassador of the entire United Nations family and the United Nations Development Program in Macedonia, it is truly an honor for me to be here today on this very special 71st anniversary day for the city of Kumanovo and to accept your kind award of honorary citizenship. Kumanovo, in all its lively diversity, is a place that quite simply feels like home to me. So my own personal commitment to do whatever I can to contribute to the well-being, security, and dignity of the city and its residents comes quite naturally. We are all just neighbors, after all. However, to me, this distinction goes far beyond any personal contribution and rather recognizes the values, commitment, and dedication of the entire organization that I'm very proud to represent. Peace, human rights, and well-being are the three legs upon which the United Nations stands. As you know better than anyone, 2015 has not been an easy year for the city of Kumanovo. The events of the year have put all three of these core values to a very serious test. You have experienced a nightmare of inexplicable armed conflict in the very heart of your city, and you have faced the constant challenge of hosting hundreds of thousands of refugees and migrants streaming through your municipality in search of safety and a chance of a better life. These challenges have been defining moments for the city, its leaders, and its citizens alike. At the UN, we have been proud to see Kumanovo emerge as a beacon of inter-ethnic solidarity, confounding the many observers who were expecting a completely different narrative of conflict. We have appreciated the generous and continuous welcome shown to refugees and migrants. Through these crises, as in the past, UNDP and the entire United Nations system has done its best to be a friend in difficult times. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are all well aware, with rights come responsibilities. So in an effort to fulfill my duties as a new citizen of your city, I am delighted to use this occasion to announce that UNDP is committing 200,000 euros in new funding to two new projects to support the city. First, as part of a broader commitment to support the city's humanitarian response to the refugee crisis, while at the same time ensuring that local citizens receive the public services to which they are entitled, UNDP will be donating a waste management truck to the communal enterprise, and this should arrive within 3 weeks' time. Second, UNDP will work with the city administration and civil society organizations to create and equip an appropriate space for youth activities, particularly those focused on humanitarian activism. We also look forward to working with you very directly in our new project on supporting municipal councils to work with municipal administrations and mayors to prepare and monitor and exercise oversight over municipal budgets. We hope these efforts, however modest, will help the city pursue its goals of peace and prosperity. On a personal note, they will certainly provide an additional excuse for me to spend more time in a city that now, officially as well as informally, I can consider my own. So let me conclude by saluting Kumanovo on its special day, and thank you again for the honor of becoming your citizen as well as your loyal friend. Vi благодарам и hvala lijepa, hvala lijepa,